Once OMG started the campaign, day one, I started getting phone calls. Day one. My name is Matthew Sinay. I'm the business owner of A. Andrews & Sons Cleaning and Restoration. We do all water damage, fire, smoke, mold, tile and grout cleaning, carpet cleaning. Those are all the services we offer. OMG, what they provide for me is Google Guarantee. And it's basically where I only pay for the leads that when I get a phone call is just a world of a difference. In fact, it gets to the point where I actually have to turn my ads off because I get too many phone calls. With these products OMG offers me, it takes, in the summertime, it's like half the day. And then I would say in the winter time, which is our slowest season, it could be anywhere from like a day to maybe 2 days, but it fills our entire week up. OMG took care of everything. They signed me up. I mean, of course I had to fill like a small little form or something like that, which is normal, but you guys OMG took care of everything for me. With all of the growth that OMG has provided with me with these leads, I've hired more people. I've actually recently bought more trucks. It's definitely 100% growth, 100%. Is you guys have taken the legwork out of getting one of the hardest things of starting a business is getting customers. You've taken the legwork right out of that. I would 100% recommend all of OMG's services and OMG's, partnership with Google Guarantee. 100%, 100%, 100% recommend it.